Hello, kids! Today we will read a short story entitled The Bib. Bim Bim has a bib. It is from Tina. The bib is red. It is pretty. But the bib is big. Will this fit? I will get a pin, says Dad. There! It fits! Now we will answer the following questions. Number 1. Who has a bib? A. Denden, B. Bim Bim, C. Tintin. Correct. The answer is B. Bim Bim. Number 2. What is the color of the bib? A. Red, B. Pink, C. Yellow. Very good. The answer is A. Red. Number 3. Who gave the bib? A. Dad, B. Mama, C. Tina. Correct. The answer is C. Tina. Number 4. What is the problem with the bib? A. It is big, B. It is wet, C. It has a rip. You're right. The answer is A. It is big. Number 5. How did the bib fit Bim Bim? A. Mama cut it. B. Grandma fixed it. C. Dad put a pin on it. Very good. The answer is C. Dad put a pin on it. Good job, kids!